Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. So the rules for the challenge is I can't wear any other color than the color that I pick. So that means most likely no eyeliner. I do say yes to having black mascara because that's the only mascara I have, and I can choose the lip color that I have right now because I only have like red or pink lipstick with like a few exceptions. So let's get into the challenge. I need to shake up my jar. I've already done like a few colors. I don't have many left. I think I have like 3 or 4 colors left. Today we are doing orange. Now I've taken a second to look through my colors and find the orange that I want to do and the makeup look that I want to do. I found 2 colors that fit orange, that could pass as orange. One is orange, the other one is copper, so I would say it passes as orange. I'm using a big fluffy brush for this shadow. So I'm taking the first color and it's from the Makeup Revolution Mother of Dragons palette, and it is Rebellious, and I'm taking that to the outer corner of my eye, making it a little bit up into the crease. Then I will use the same brush and then maybe my fingers, but then I'm going to go in with the same makeup palette, the Makeup Revolution Mother of Dragons, and I'm going to go in with Dragonfire, which is this one right there. And I just want to put that on the lid, meeting the orange. So the next thing I will do is put my mascara on, and I'm only going to put that on my upper lashes. So I will be first curling my lashes. Then I would take my Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this. And then I would just set the makeup. So I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Base Fix that looks like this and set my makeup. have it, a orange makeup look, it was fun. Now, most people might think of orange as an autumn fall color, but with the Dragonfire, I really think this is screaming more tropic than it does fall. If I added brown, it would be more like fall, but because of the Dragonfire, this is giving me summer vibes. If somebody else were looking at my eyes, they would not think fall, okay? They would think that it's like a tropic punch and it looks delicious. So that is what we're going for. And so that is all I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!